everyone a good Wednesday. We're actually going to start something new. We're going to start Unit 7. So I know right now we're all in different places. We're going to put that on pause until I see you again, and we're going to start with the unit that I know you all can be successful in, and something that no one's done before. So what we're going to do is start with adding and subtracting polynomials. Today we're just going to do adding. Tomorrow just subtracting, and you'll have an assignment due by 11:59 tomorrow with a little bit of adding and a little bit of subtracting. Okay. Remember, each day we're going to Google Meet if you want to get online and ask questions, and your time slot is from 10 a.m. to 10:20. And I sent you the link. It's also on Schoology, so you can look at that as well. Okay, you guys ready? I'm so happy to see you. I can't wait to see you guys on Google Meet. I've missed you. So adding polynomials, the notes are also on Schoology, so you to look at. And when you add polynomials, you have to distribute the addition sign, combine like terms. The like terms have to have the same variables and the same exponents. And then you need to write in descending order. If you forget to write in descending order, that's okay for now. But when we get into quadratics, you'll have to be a little more particular about that. Okay, so let's walk through a problem before we do a couple. So I have 3x to the third power plus 4x squared plus 1x, that in parentheses, plus 5x squared minus 2x plus 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute the addition sign. So we know a positive times a positive is a positive times a negative is a negative, and a positive times a positive is a positive. Then once I write those all out, drop the parentheses, anything that has the same variable with the same exponents, the same little number up here, you can combine the numbers in front of the variables, the coefficients. So I did a little squiggly line for everything with an x to the third, an arrow with everything that had x squared, a box for everything that just had an x. And remember, if we get kind of confused, there is an imaginary 1 there. So we can always write those 1s there. And then a triangle for a number with no variables. So now I'm going to add them together. So I combine the like terms. So nothing goes with this 3x to the third power. So I bring it down. I have 4x squared plus 5x squared. 4 plus 5 is 9x squared. And then I have a 1x minus a 2x. So 1 minus 2 is a negative 1x. And then I have this positive 7 all by itself. And I'm just going to bring that down. And that's the answer. 3x to the third plus 9x squared minus 1x plus 7. And you're done. Okay. Let's do 2 together. And then again, tomorrow on Group Meet, we can kind of answer any questions. Or Google Meet, I'm sorry, that we can answer any questions that you might have. So there's this first problem here. It's 6x squared plus 3x minus 7x plus 5. So there's no parentheses here, so I'm just going to combine like terms. So I have a 6x squared here. I have a 3x, again, to the first power if I want to write it. And then I have a 7x to the first power if I want to write it. And then I have a 5 by itself. So I'm going to combine things that look alike. So nothing goes with this 6x squared. And what I can do is I can cross it off as I go, or I can erase it. Completely up to you to make sure you've already handled it. I have a 3x minus a 7x. So 3 minus 7 is negative 4x. And then I have this 5 by itself with nothing to combine it with. So that would be my answer. 6x squared minus 4x plus 5. And we're done. Okay. Let's do one more together, and then we'll be good from there. And then again, we can answer any questions that you guys have for adding tomorrow. So I have negative 2x to the third power plus 3x squared plus 5x squared minus 2x. Again, I'm going to distribute that addition sign first, combine like terms, and then write in descending order. So I'm going to distribute it, and when I distribute it, the parentheses drop. So I get negative 2x cubed plus 3x squared. A positive times a positive stays positive. And a positive times a negative stays negative. Okay. Then from there, I'm going to combine like terms. So I have an x cubed here. I have an x squared. I have an x squared. And then I have an x. So I combine what I have in common. So I end up with 2x to the third power, because nothing combines with that. I have a 3x squared and a 5x squared. 3 plus 5 is 8. x squared. Okay. And then I have nothing to combine with that negative 2x. So I'm just going to bring that down. And that's my answer. Okay. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. And then tomorrow's video, or Thursday's video, will be over subtracting polynomials. So again, we're just doing adding and subtracting this week. And then on Friday, we'll just do a kind of combination of both. Okay. Have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow on the group meet.